Benin is a culturally rich country in West Africa with a deep historical significance and diverse heritage. Here's a detailed look at various aspects of Benin. Geography. Benin is bordered by Togo to the west, Nigeria to the east, Burkina Faso and Niger to the north, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south. Its location along the Gulf of Guinea provides a tropical, warm climate, and it features a varied landscape that includes sandy coastal areas, lagoons, flat plains, and rolling hills. History. Benin played a central role in the history of the region as part of the Dahomey Kingdom, which was known for its powerful warriors and rich culture. The kingdom was well established by the 1600s and known for its involvement in the Atlantic slave trade. Benin became a French colony in the late 19th century and gained independence on August 1, 1960. Post-independence, Benin experienced several political changes and a period of Marxism-Leninism before moving towards a more democratic government in the early 1990s. Politics. Benin is recognized for its stable democracy in a region often troubled by political unrest. It operates under a presidential system, where the president is elected by popular vote. The current president, Patrice Talon, was first elected in 2016 and has focused on economic reforms and anti-corruption measures, although there have been concerns about political freedoms and opposition crackdowns under his administration. Economy. Benin's economy is heavily reliant on agriculture, with cotton being the main cash crop, alongside other subsistence crops like corn, cassava, and yams. The country also benefits from the transit trade through its port in Cotonou, which is a significant revenue source and an economic hub for not just Benin but also its landlocked neighbors. Recent efforts have been made to diversify the economy and improve the business environment. Culture. Benin is known for its rich cultural heritage, dance, and crafts. Cuisine. Beninese cuisine includes a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, grains, and fish cooked with minimal fat. Common dishes include pate, a corn or sorghum dough served with sauces, and ikassa, a fermented cornmeal porridge. Challenges. Despite its political stability, Benin faces several challenges including poverty, inadequate healthcare, and a high burden of infectious diseases like malaria. Educational quality and access remain issues, particularly in rural areas. Tourism. Tourism in Benin is growing, with attractions such as the stilt village of Ganvi, often called the Venice of Africa, the Penjari National Park, known for its wildlife safaris, and the historic sites related to the Dahomey Kingdom. The Slave Route Project in Ouidah, which documents places of historical significance in the transatlantic slave trade, is a poignant reminder of the country's past. Benin's blend of historical significance, cultural diversity, and political stability offers a compelling narrative of a country moving towards a more promising future while dealing with the challenges typical of the region.